Let's discuss the properties of 0 and 1. The numbers 0 and 1 have special properties. Let's discuss those properties. Any number added to 0 remains the same. For example, 0 plus 10 is 10. So any number added to 0 will just remain the same, right? Any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. 7 times 0 is 0. 1000 times 0 is 0. Negative 4 times 0 is 0. So any number multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Division by 0 is undefined. Remember that. For example, 5 divided by 0 is undefined. 10 divided by 0 is undefined. Division by 0 is undefined. Any number multiplied by 1 remains the same. For example, 3 times 1 will give us 3. I want us to look at these two. Any number added to 0 remains the same. For example, 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. Then any number multiplied by 1 remains the same. For example, 3 times 1 is equal to 3. What do we call these properties? There are two identity properties for whole numbers. One for addition and the other for multiplication. 0 is the identity element of addition. Why do we call it identity element of addition? Because if 0 is added to any number, the number remains the same. So this is called the additive identity, or you can say identity element of addition. And then 1. 1 is the identity element of multiplication. Since if any number is multiplied by 1, the number does not change. So 1 is the multiplicative identity. We can say identity element of multiplication. So these are the two identity properties for whole numbers. 0 being the additive identity or identity element of addition, 1 being the multiplicative identity or identity element of multiplication.